Hi friends, welcome to Dollar Tree. Okay, so the pumpkin with floral arrangements, these are $5. The beaded metal pumpkin, it is $5 as well. And this one is cute. It's $5. This one is $5. This one is a light up pumpkin. It needs 2 AAA batteries. 30 count LED leaf lights, $5. Oh, how cute are these? $5 for these pumpkins. Oh goodness. $3 for this animal shelf sitter. Cute. Muted pumpkin, $1.25. LED metal pumpkin, $5. This is a tabletop decor. It is $5. It's cute. Welcome Autumn, $3. And this is a metal pumpkin sign for $5. They also have it in the brown. Faux Mercury pumpkins, they are $5. Very light. And fabric pumpkins are $3. The velvet ones are $5. $5 for the doormat. Food safe tray. Harvest tray, $5. This one says grateful. That's nice. They also have this one in the brown. This says gather. And the green says give thanks. Okay. Flock pumpkin garlands, 6 feet long, $3. Doorknob hangers, these are $1.25. And that one is nice with the acorn. These are ceramic for $1.25. Autumn days are the best, $1.25 on these. Like these. Oh, this one says blessed. That's cute. Nice. All of these are $1.25 over here. And even these. As well as these. Okay, the decorative clip, $1.25 on these. The berry garland, $1.25. This straw bale is $1.25. This pumpkin wreath right here. Beautiful floral stems. Okay, this beautiful fall sign. Here's another one. This one says welcome. These are big for $1.25. Pumpkin patch. Fall, sweet fall. Oh, this is nice. This one says thankful, grateful, blessed. Nice. Yeah, these are stakes over here. And this one says cool autumn breeze, sweater weather and hello fall. More signs up here. I love fall most of all. And this is a metal sign that says pumpkin patch. I like these steaks here for $1.25. This is a wonderful deal. This one says happy harvest. The sunflowers, corn. So I have this one. Okay, we have the velvet pumpkin picks over here for $1.25. They also have the plush pumpkins, the faux leather pumpkins. You get 3 per pack. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Different colors on that one. This one. We also have these up here. And the mushrooms, you get 3. Okay guys, they have the mini pumpkins, a total of 5 in different colors. The acorns, you get 10. Okay. It's the faux wool pumpkin. Different colors on this one. Floral centerpiece, $5. These are $5 as well. These are scented candles for $5, as well as these 10-count LED pumpkin lights, $5. These beautiful lanterns need 3 AAA batteries, and they are $5. Ooh, harvest jug, $5. Really pretty. They even have this design. Ooh, look at the grateful, thankful, and blessed sign. $5. A little wagon. No, this is a wheelbarrow here. $5. Oops. Sentiment pumpkins. These are $3. 2-tiered decorative tray, $5 for these. Okay. This is a cheese board set that says gather for $5. They also have this one that says hello for $5. Ooh, Lazy Susan. It says hello fall, $5. This 3-tier metal pumpkin, it is $5, as well as this one made of wood. This cheese board wall decor is $3. It's a nice size too. Not bad. Everything else that I'm getting ready to show you guys, it is $125. This is a reef hanger, reef hangers. The pumpkin reef. Pumpkin decor, you get 6 of the pumpkins. 10 of the picks, pumpkin picks, 2 of the corn, darker yellow, and a lighter yellow. More doorknob hangers, burlap leaves, wood pieces, oh yes, color your own decor, maple leaves. This is a craft kit of scarecrows, pom-pom craft kit, nice, paper craft kit. So many things that you can get really creative with here. Beautiful ribbons here, guys. One is 3 yards and this one is 2 yards. A nice selection. More wooden pieces here. They're really large too. Nice. That's a witch. Oh yeah. A lot of Halloween decor here, but I'm sure you guys have already seen plenty of that. And I did I think I did one or two other Halloween videos here at the Dollar Tree. So I don't want to bore you guys with that. More beautiful bowls. You get 2 per pack. Yeah. Candy corn pom-pom garland for $3. Oh yes. Well, all right, my friends, that is it here today at Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this fall decor video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.